Today we are going to show you how to say I love you in Morse code via story. Once, there was a guy in Moscow named Maverick. He was a very innocent and simple guy. He was also great at his studies. During college time, Maverick fell in love with a girl named Josie. Josie was the daughter of a retired army colonel. Her dad was her hero for her, and she also wished that her future husband should also be an army man. Maverick heard these things when she was talking about it to her friend. Those things stopped Maverick to express his feeling to Josie. Time passed. Another side, Maverick's father was also in the army and posted in a war situation. One day, he receives the news that his father died in the war. These two situations had the best impact on Maverick's life, and he decided to apply to the armed forces. With his dedication to it, he got selected for the armed force. Another war situation occurred during his posting in the armed force. One day he was at the base and thinking that he had not yet expressed his feelings to Josie. He started thinking, how can he contact her and tell her his feelings? The day came, and he gathered all his senses. He found out about Morse Code Transcript machine and decided to send her a message through this. There was no time to have a lengthy conversation with the transcript machine, so he sent the I love you Josie message through Morse code machine. Josie also loved Maverick, but she couldn't express herself to him. When she received the message, she was going crazy with joy, and she replied back, "I will wait for you." So like this, how Morse code transcript machine helped to express feeling. And now after the war, Maverick and Josie are living together happily.